Hey guys,
What's going on, everybody?
welcome to Michigan Life Above the 45th Parallel. I'm Clarissa,
And I'm Jason.
and today,
Good morning. It's early.
yeah,
I don't even know if we're done with the second cup of coffee of the day, but generator's out. Gas is shut off in the morning. I got a new spool to put on it, so now that it's shut off and cooled down for the evening in the morning, because it's been running for like 2 days now.
yeah,
We got the part to fix it, so let's go down there and get that fixed real quick. Shouldn't take too long.
no.
So tag along, see what we get done today.
Here we go. Now we had it good enough to where you could start it for the weekend for us. So we just started it because it was late at night when we got here on Thursday. So now it's Saturday morning and we're going to go ahead and do our thing now. It's so beautiful. It's going to be a hot one. So we'll be able to get lots of stuff done today, but right now we're doing this.
Body hasn't woke up yet. Alright. So, hold on, babe. Oh, it's getting... Alright, well, we got a whole new one, pre-wound, new cord on it, and then it comes with a spare cord and some new bolts. So what the plan is, I'm going to unbolt this one, just pop on the new one, and then we're good to go. Because this was broken. The handle was laying in the ground last weekend we were up. So I put it back on there, but I didn't wind it right. So my thought is put this one on, take this one off, get it wound right, and then I got a spare, so next time it breaks I just pop that one on and then I can deal with fixing the other one with another cord. So I figured for 20 bucks I have a spare part. It's something super easy to interchange. It's a common thing to break, and if I got a spare part it's way easier to fix it when it does break. So I'll get going on this. Should be 3 bolts, real simple. Alright.
It's going to pull a different way.
I guess if I wanted it to. Alright, so a little crazy concoction going here. It's a 10 mil. The 10 mil is in the quad because I was working on it the other day with her dad. So just using this little weird hookup to get this to work. There she goes. Alright, it was that quick. 3 bolts, swapped out, good to go. So, say your cord breaks, it's a lot harder to take that apart, get the string through there, tie your knot, re-spool it properly, because if you don't re-spool it properly, you don't know until you put it on and try and pull start it. So, to swap that out is way quicker. I'll get this one prepped and ready to go for the next time it breaks, and a minute swap versus 15-20 minutes or whatever long it takes to re-spool that, that's a way quicker swap. So I figured the 20 bucks was worth it. Let's get tools put away, get this thing fired back up. We gotta gas it up still. Alright, gas is full. That's on. Should just be ready to pull it. Switch is on. Ow. Shorter pull. Works. Alright, so this one still good, just not wound properly. I thought I wound it right, it did not. I'm gonna go on the Champion website. They have a little video. I'm gonna watch how to spool this, and then we'll have a backup. But super simple, guys. Generator's working again. It's pretty important that thing stays up and running. That generator's been a great generator for us for 3-4 years now. That's the first thing that's broken on it. So what is over there? There's something making a lot of noise in the woods over there. Anyways, pretty important that stays running. We have to have power. That's our power source up here. We don't have a backup generator, so I'm glad that was an easy fix. And yeah, so you guys saw how simple it is. If you have a broken pull cord on your Champion, 3 bolts pops it off. You can try and re-spool it. I bought a spare. Makes my life easier, way quicker. So.
Well, that was pretty easy.
Yeah, simple fix.
Yeah. So, if you like what you watched today, go ahead and hit that like button.
Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.
And don't forget to share.
Yep, sharing's caring, guys, gals.
Make sure to throw me a comment.
Yep, she'll reply back.
I promise.
Guaranteed in life, it's like death and taxes. It's one of the 3 guarantees.
Then don't forget to hit that notification button. That way you'll always be notified when we have new content available.
Yep. Don't want to miss a video when it drops.
We also
Don't
have
wanna miss a
memberships
live.
available too.
Yep.
So
Help
if
support
you
the
want to
channel.
have your videos a little bit earlier available to you and little emojis, and you would like to support our channel as well and help us get these nice projects going and help us pay for these little things that we do.
Yep. All the support goes right back into the property and the projects we do here in the future.
Yep.
So the love and support's much appreciated.
Very much so.
So thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
We'll see you in the next one, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.